Hey guys, welcome to Learn with Purvi. In our previous video, we had seen about JioMart versus Amazon and Flipkart. If you haven't checked it out, do check it out. Okay, we have something very interesting in this video. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, there seems to be few companies which are not running out of their luck. In fact, their stock prices are continuously increasing. Yes, that's exactly what we're going to discuss today. One of these very good companies whose actually stock prices have been increasing over the past 3 months to about 140%. Adani Green, which is a part of Adani Group, which is a multinational conglomerate located in Gujarat. So let's see what we have ahead. Do stay till the very end to have an amazing discussion on this topic. Do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get more content on case studies, news, etc. Welcome back. There are about 7 stocks which are trading at a market capitalization of more than 20,000 crore. Basically, they are large caps. And the surprising part is they turned into a large cap only in just a year when compared to a mid cap in just a year before. Whoa, wait. What is large cap? What is mid cap? What is multi cap? What is market cap? Well, not to worry. It's all in here. Just stay with me. Okay, so just starting with market cap. Well, market cap is the number of shares which the company has given to the shareholders, that is the public, into the current share price. So basically, it's the valuation of the company, in other words. Moving forward, what is large cap? It is basically a multi-cap which is a market cap which is over 20,000 crores. Right. So you might have guessed what a mid-cap might be, and your guess is correct. It is a market capitalization which is between 5,000 and 20,000 crores. Moving forward, let's see what we have, and we are mostly going to discuss about Adani Green because it tops the hit list for the company to grow the fastest in its share price, compared to just a 44 rupees in June 2019 to about 280 rupees in June 2020. So you can roughly estimate how much percentage return it is giving. Okay, pack your bags, let's go. Now before I start, let me give you a brief of the company. Adani Green Energy. Adani Green Energy, as I mentioned, is a part of the Adani Group, which is a multinational conglomerate located in Gujarat. It is one of the largest renewable companies in India, and with a current project portfolio of 5,290 megawatts, as you can see on your screen. And it operates the Kamuti Solar Power Project, which is one of the largest photovoltaic projects in the world. Remember, in the world. That's great. And as I mentioned, it controls about 5,290 megawatts of wind energy. So there's a lot of good deed which is done by the company. So definitely it must have some positive reasons for its growth. Well, we'll see ahead. Moving on. It operates and projects in 11 states of India. And there are about 46 operational projects which the company is ongoing. Okay, now it makes some sense to find out the reasons for its growth, for the growth of the company at such a high rate. Well, let's move ahead. So, reasons for the stock prices in the company is listed as follows. First, it is because it aims to create a 15,000 megawatts of energy renewable basket by 2025. And I think it's a very good deed which is done by the company, as the economy is working towards this motive of being an environmental friendly company. Right. Next, how is the company getting its funds in order to do so? Well, it's raising capital from the dollar bond market. Well, you must have this question. A dollar bond market is basically a dollar denominated bond, in other words. I hope that clears for you. Moving forward, it signed the purchase power agreements. Oh, what is purchase power agreements now? So many more terms. Well, not to worry. Basically, a purchase power agreement is an agreement between the person who is providing the energy source and the one who is buying. So the government over here is providing certain benefits to the company, like reduction in tariff rates, etc., which provides an incentive to expand its projects more for the company and to have an ongoing process towards this operational progress. And it makes sense for the government to support such a eco-friendly and sustainable issue which the company is trying to move forward with. Well, one of the major reasons and benefit this can provide is that it reduces fluctuations in the borrowing, loans, etc. for the company, which can be very beneficial in the longer term. Moving ahead, now the company is in talks to acquire about 480 megawatts of solar projects, as you can see on your screen, which is under construction from the SL group. Wow, that's a great amount, and that is a great amount of energy which the company can produce. Moving ahead, it has about $362.5 million from the dollar bond market for refinancing the existing loans and find capital for the acquisition and the existing loans for the greenfield projects. Basically, it's for the expansion of the renewable sources energy. Well, moving ahead, the revenue of the company went up by 46% to rupees 1,349 crore in the first 6 months itself. And that is a great amount, isn't it? To conclude, the company has won bids for 130 megawatts of wind energy and 600 megawatts of power projects, which in turn increases the revenue to about 5,290 megawatts in the 2 years. Sorry, God forbid, not for revenue, it's the megawatts energy which will be increased. That's amazing, right? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lecture and the research I have put into it. It's worth watching, and do research and do tell me what you come across about this company. Right. Okay, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel to see the amazing content which awaits you. Thank you. Bye.